Hey beautiful, today's video was inspired by Janeena Chan at the Mega Equality Ball last month. If you're a fan of her or her makeup look, then please keep watching. First step is we're gonna make sure we have a clean base to start with, so that's why I used a micellar water and then spritz my whole face with the Misty Legend Care Spray all the way from Japan. Gently massage this all over your face and it will give a brightening, healthy, glowing effect on your skin. A bottle costs 1,300 and if you want to purchase this, kindly click the link in the description box. This is actually my first time to use this, but anyway, we want to achieve glass skin for this look, which is why we're using a serum. And after we have prepped our skin, time to prep our eyes too. For the eyeshadow, it's really easy. Take a warm brick color, apply all over the crease and blend. Then take a darker shade and apply this on the bottom lashes, but don't take it all the way to the inner corners. Next up is very interesting. Take these two liquid eyeshadows and mix it together to create a warm rose gold color. Apply this to the middle part to make a crease cut effect and also on the bottom lashes. Then top it off with some silver glitters for a bold sparkle. I'm using the Misty Legend Care Spray as a glue and it surprisingly works. This is my favorite part, which is applying gemstones. I couldn't find the exact thing Albert used, but this will do. I'm using an eyelash glue to stick it on the middle part of the bottom lash line. Then I'm doing a baby wing liner. It doesn't have to be dramatic. I like using an eyeliner which has a very fine tip so I can control how thick or thin I want my wing to be. After that, apply falsies. Mr. Albert used faux lashes on the bottom part too, but you can just use a mascara, especially if you have long eyelashes. I personally don't have long eyelashes, so I'm thankful for products like the Everbelena Lash Define Mascara. Onto the brows, Janeena Chan sported a brush up brow. I'm slowly filling in the gaps by doing light strokes using the K Palette Real Lasting Eyebrow Liquid in the shade number 2, and then I'm brushing my brows up with Benefit Gimme Brows to make it look even thicker. Moving on to foundation, I'm using the Chanel Vitalumiere Aqua for a healthy looking base and then apply concealer to problem areas like under eye circles. The key here is to make our skin look glowing as much as possible, so no to a heavy foundation and cake. Set everything with a small amount of a full coverage powder foundation. This is just one layer of MAC Studio Fix in NC30, and then apply bronzer very lightly on the hollow areas of your face, like under the cheekbones, temples, forehead, jawline, and nose line. After that, apply a very light blush on top of the bronzer and then highlight with Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector with a wet brush. I'm spraying my favorite Zoeva 134 Luxe Powder Fusion Brush with the Misty Legend Care Spray to make it last longer on my face. For the lips, apply a natural color with a luster finish. Spray your face again with the Misty Legend Care Spray and we're done! I hope you like this tutorial as much as I had fun being inspired by Janeena Chan's Mega Equality Ball makeup, mastered by celebrity makeup artist Albert Kurniawan. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like these. Drop some love in the comment section below and share it with your friends if you like it. See you in the next video. Bye!